Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. After so long time, around 100 days, more than 100 days, today I am recording this video, and I thought let's record all those video again and upload on YouTube, where some old video does not contain my voice, and new Qt version is also available now. So I thought let's record all those video again with new concept and with voice also. So this is the first video after so long time. So I thought let's create a video where how to create a Qt project. So this is the Qt new version. You can see this is a current Qt latest version based on Qt 10.6.10.2 and Qt creator version is 19.0.0. So this is the current latest version. So now let's create the project. So this is a basic our Qt creator GUI, where how we create a project. Some examples projects are also available, and tutorials, courses, and projects overview others. So let's simply create the one project. So here you will get the some option Qt quick application, Qt widget application. So let's simply select the Qt widget application, and here you have to enter your project name. So let's write the project name, new one. Okay, so here you can see the build system, Qmake, CMake with Qt5 compatibility, and CMake and QBS. So Qmake, you all know there's some old version Qt does not support CMake, so that time Qmake is available. Now CMake is available, so let's go with this CMake, where because the currently trending is CMake. So now here you enter your base class name and select the base class. So that's the default settings, and next here you can select the transfer, and now kit selection. So currently there's these 4 kits are available: WebAssembly, single threaded, multi-threaded, and Qt 6.11.0, MSVC 2264-bit, and Qt 6.11.0 min GW 64-bit. So let's continue with the min GW, debug and release mode, select, and now click on next and finish. So this is the how we create the Qt project, a Qt widget based application in Qt creator. So here some basic setting you can see in configuration, build directory, build type. You can define your build location here. Okay, QML debugging and profiling is also available. Some CMake configuration is also available here, build step, and CMake parameter is also here. So here you have to define your which module you want to add, like here currently Qt core and widget are also included. Later on that we will use SQL module, location module, serial port module, and any other modules. So this is your .h file. This is our UI file where we place our UI controls and create an attractive GUI application. So controls are the same as per our last version. I don't think so there is no any new control here. Okay, so this is our UI file .h file, and this is our source file. So let's print one message. So include the required header file, include Qt core. So just include the Qt core module. No need to additionally include other header files. So now let's print the one message. Welcome after so long time. Now let's run the application. Wait for the build. So here is your message, welcome after so long time. So this is the starting video where how we can create a project in Qt Widget Application. Also later on that I will upload the how to create the project in Qt GUI Application. So I'm planning to re-upload and record again our some old videos where each video does not contain my voice, and based on some comments I decide to re-upload all those video again with new concept. So please stay on this channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel too, and press the bell icon to get a notification of new video. And please like this video and share this video with your friend. And thanks for watching my video, and thanks for your genuine support. Thank you.